All right. Hello, Michael. My name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and we spoke on the phone briefly, and you had me go ahead and send this video over to you. So, in this video, I'm going to give you three pieces of advice that you can implement today so that you can start ranking at the top of Google. And the reason to do this is obviously to beat out the top competitor, because when we type in water damage company or restoration company in Denver, you're right here, which is great. We will get into that in a bit. There are three pieces here to this front page. Here's the Google Map Pack. Here are the Google Ads. And then here are the organic searches. So our goal, I'd love to see that you're up here already. I'm sure you're getting quite a bit of business from this. If you're looking to improve anything or anything more, it would be to get you on the top of the organic pages. So in this video, I'm going to show you basically what your top competitor here, Restoration Denver, is doing. That's getting them that spot. Okay. So you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you in the first place. And I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers that they just don't have the time to learn how to get this done and to understand how they can get the internet bringing them more customers. So really the only thing stopping them from going out and doing that or creating a plan of attack is they don't really know who is an expert and who is not really an expert, right? So that's why I started doing this, so that I could show small business owners and just give them away for free, just 5-6 minute videos. If you like what you see, you can reach back out. If not, no worries, no harm, no foul. Some people call me and say, hey, Brandon, you know what? I like you. I just don't have the time to do this or the tools. So can you do it for me? Other people decide that they'd like to go give this a shot themselves. And I'm totally okay with that too. My goal is to just, help you make a lot of money and that you learn something from this video. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to talk about three things today. Number one being content, number two being backlinks, and number three, citations. Okay, so let's go through this website here. This is your site. It looks great. I love that you've got these social media linked right here. You've got a call to action right here, right at the top, as well as right here. So that gives people easy access to be able to call you. You also have a keyword right here, which is really important. So we'll go over that as well. You've got a few keywords in here. Water damage restoration, that's a keyword. Mold, sewage restoration, those are keywords. You've got your services right here, which is great. It's easy to read. Looks good. The web design is great. So great start. Okay. So when it comes to content, Google cares a lot about good content. Is one of the biggest reasons why a website will be ranked over another. So the average site on Google is about 1,500 words. So this would be a great starting point for you. I just copy and pasted all of this content on this front page into here, and you've got about 1,187 words. Okay, so that's not a bad start. I would get this to at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words to outrank some of your competitors. Okay, if we take this, these guys may not even have 1,100 words. They probably have less, which you will have a one up on them on this front. Oh, it looks like that didn't. But as you can see, looking at this, you can see they don't have 1,500 words on their homepage. Okay, but the amount of words is really not what's the most important. You need to have buyer intent keywords within your website. On the home page, okay, these are words that, like this, water damage restoration in Denver, Colorado. If somebody searches for that, it's likely that they are looking for that service right now. Okay, so these keywords are commonly what people type into Google when they're searching for a product or service, such as air conditioning repair in Denver, for example. Okay, and a lot of people forget to save their images as keywords. You can do that in your images. Okay, so you've got restoration logistics, water, mold. These aren't buyer intent. So you'd want to do mold mitigation Denver or water damage cleanup Denver. You can save all of your photos and things like that as a keyword, and that will help. Okay, so the next thing I want to go over is how we can compare your site, this site, to your top competitor, which is over here. So we're going to use this tool called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that I've been using. They do have free tools that you could use if you were going to try to do this yourself, but let's get into this. So these ratings, I don't want to go too much into this. This is just how much they trust your site, and this is how much power basically your site is getting. And the number 2 topic I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is a backlink? So a backlink is, for example, if somebody writes a blog and they link your website in there, or they link something that gets other people to your website, kind of like them calling you out, that is considered a backlink. So it drives traffic to your website from Google. So Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to your website. But not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, you want companies that are in your space, like HVAC, plumbing, insurance, other restoration companies that are backlinking to you, not companies like Pizza Hut, for example, because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. Okay, so here's yours. You're wondering to yourself, okay, well, how do I do this? The goal is to go over to your competitor. Here is your competitors, Ahrefs. They have 1.8 or 1,800 backlinks. You've got 723 backlinks. Okay, so if those backlinks are doing enough to get your competitor to the top, it's easy. All you do is just go into their backlinks. So click right here. And what I would do if I were in your shoes, a good start to this would be to go through these websites, and you can go into various blogs. See, these are a lot of directories: Super Pages, Omega Lab, domains. Like, you can put your website into these directories, and those would be a backlink. You can create a login on these websites and backlink yourself. So what I would do is just go through each one of these one by one. It's simple. And just get those backlinks taken care of. And I would not only just get to the amount they have, but I would beat them. Because if you're beating them and you have the content with the keywords, then that's going to put you in a great spot. Okay. So they have 129 referring websites backlinking to them, and they have 441 keywords that generates this much traffic per month. Now, this is low. In Ahrefs, it's really 5 to 10 times this number. It always, for whatever reason, produces it lower than it is. But they have 442 keywords, and it's generating this much traffic. If we look back at yours, you only have 171 keywords, and it's generating this much traffic. 25 times 10, so 2,500 versus, 551,000, for example. So that's where I would start. So to go over that real quickly, number 1, get your content up to 1,500, 2,000 words, and fill the content with buyer intent keywords. Also save your pictures as keywords. And then take the websites, number 2, take the websites that are linking to your top competitor and link them to your website. Get these backlink numbers up higher than theirs. So you're, a third of the way there on that one. And then lastly, you want to go ahead and put your name, address, and phone number in as many directories as possible. This is what gets you to this number 1 spot in the Google Map app. So you've got that going for you already. If you have questions about how you can get up to number 1 versus number 2, let me know. But really, it's just all about, putting your name, address, and phone number in as many directories as possible, and doing that, 100 more than your top competitor. So you want to look at how many citations these guys have and beat that out. Okay, so a little long-winded. I tried to go only about 5-6 minutes, but if you have any questions or you'd like to chat, if you don't have the time to do this, you have questions about it, give me a call and we can see if we're a good fit to help your business grow. If not, either way, I just want you to take some value out of this and hopefully get your website generating more sales for you. I appreciate your time, Michael, and take care of me.